Why did Cathie would just buy a good amount of Tesla? So in this video, I want to talk about the reason why Cathie would just bought, I think it was about 13,000 shares of Tesla, and her reasoning behind that. So whenever a fund sells or buys stocks because they are balancing their portfolio, they have a certain amount of holdings, and sometimes some holdings they sell out completely so they can buy new ones, or they just sell it out towards the end of the year so they can deduct it from their taxes. However, last year ARK sold a good amount of Tesla, and it just had something to do with Tesla reached a really high price, so they were selling it and to profit on it pretty much. Funds do also trade. They're not just holding for long term, they also trade. They get in and out of stocks. Usually a fund has about 10% of one holding. So if that 10% is reached and the price goes up, they have to sell some of them. The funds go down. If this one holding goes down, they buy more into it to reach that 10% mark again. So sometimes we hear this on some of these videos on YouTube or on a social media that, oh my God, this fund sold X amount of whatever. And then people get scared and they're selling out because they think there's something big coming. No, it's mostly just about rebalancing the portfolio in that fund. So ARK Invest sold a good amount of their Tesla shares last fall, and now they're buying back in. And if I'm not mistaken, it's around 13,000 shares. I think it's a little bit over that. And because Tesla is trading pretty low at this point, it's trading on a discount, so it's a perfect time to get in. ARK Invest show their investments publicly. You can follow them, and you'll get automatic emails. If you go to ark.com and you're going on their website, you can sign up for their weekly emails and they'll send you what they're buying and selling, which I think is awesome. So Tesla just decreased recently their prices in some of their Chinese models. Some of the Tesla models in China, let's say that. So they decreased some of the prices because China is going through a recession already, and they need to compensate a little bit for that so that the sales are not going down. They want to meet their sales the next quarter. So they're selling, and the percentage in China is pretty high of Teslas being sold. So they're trying to lower the prices of certain models so that the sales are staying up. So at the same time, in the United States, Tesla had to increase their prices because of the inflation, because of the cost of material, cost of increase in wages on workers. So they had to increase the prices of their Teslas in America. However, demand has not decreased, so there's still the same amount of demand, which is really awesome. And then the semi-truck is starting to be delivered in 2023, and there's already demand for it. I think PepsiCo is one of them that gets a good amount of semi-trucks. On top of that, Tesla profits from solar rooftops and battery storage. So Tesla profits from a lot of things, not just cars. ARK Invest believes Tesla will increase in price due to improvement of their AI self-learning capabilities. Tesla, every time you drive your Tesla, the artificial intelligence in your Tesla will learn from the driving experience. It'll learn the streets, it'll learn everything it needs to learn. And it's amazing. ARK is looking forward to Tesla self-driving cars in the near future, including robotaxis. They're not that far away from robotaxis. I believe 2025 will probably be the time where they're starting with robotaxis. So that's gonna be taxis. So that's gonna be amazing. So Tesla's revenue grew 50% last quarter. Remember that ARK loves disruptive innovation. They really love disruptive innovation. And we can't turn back time. Time is moving on and we'll have to move with it. And Tesla fits right into that category. According to ARK, Tesla shares will increase by 85% within the next 3 to 5 years. And maybe this will happen sooner. And I remember that ARK was being laughed at their last prediction of Tesla shares, and they were right. So yes, I'm invested in ARK. I'm pretty much invested in ARK K. That's pretty much it. I really would like to get a little bit more into the genomics. Right now, I'm investing in Tesla because Tesla is at an excellent price. So I hope you liked this video. And if you did so, please put a like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk soon. Thank you so much. This is Claudia. Goodbye.